Yeah, if you came till here means you would have known we are going to start the Python programming language, and we completed our first video. What is the need of programming language? Now this video is, we know what is the need. Next, what is a programming language? Okay, now basically we are going to learn what is a programming language. We'll make into small cut bits and pieces, and we'll learn the small things, and we'll make a complete meaning out of it. Okay, first, what is a language? Normally consider, just understand, there is English language, Telugu language, Hindi language. There are multiple languages. What is the need of language? Just to communicate with each other, correct? So language is used to exchange of information, facts, something. If you want to exchange with other human being, you are using a language. So language is used to exchange the data from two people. Similarly, if you want to exchange the data with computer, computer languages are known as programming languages. Okay, if you want to transfer some data between two computers, or sorry, not between two computers, between a human being and a computer. So if you want to talk to a computer, I need to learn the computer language. Computer languages are nothing but the programming languages. And what are different languages? C and Java and Python and C++. There are many number of languages, and these are some of the top most majority of the people using these languages. Okay, so we have got to understand what is a programming language and why they keep the name programming language. Okay, basically the reason is program means what? For example, in a school, you are organizing some annual day function. So annual day function, you will write the rules, like 6 o'clock the meeting should start, and 6:05 you should do prayer, and by 6:10 inviting the guest, and first dance performance by 7 p.m., 7:15. What to do step by step in the event? What should happen step by step? The rules which are defined step by step. This is nothing but a program. Similarly, programming language means, here we will define in using the C language or Python language or Java language, step by step what a computer should do. Step by step, it's a step by step instructions to the computer. This is known as a programming language. And what are the examples of programming language? C, Java, Python, C++, and these are the examples of programming language. Okay, I hope you understand this video. From next video onwards, we will directly start the programming. No more delay. I will hope you will be continuing to next video. Okay, thank you for watching.